¿Qué tal mi gente? Soy yo, Becky G. I am so excited because Tresluce will be making its debut in the October Boxycharm boxes. We've got some really cute goodies here. The I Am Siempre Divina palette, and we also have the I Am Alma, which by the way, it's a 6-pan shadow palette that comes with a pair of lashes and a little glue for you to apply your lashes. I'm gonna do an off-duty, when I'm home, got things to do around the house look. So let's get into it. I am picking up the I Am Siempre Divina 6-pan shadow palette. I'm gonna open her up so we can take a look. We have a combination of matte shades as well as 2 shimmer shades. And because it is my everyday look, we're gonna add a little bit of pop with these shimmer shades, but still keep it very subtle. We also have a pair of lashes that come included with the 6-pan shadow palette. With the I Am Siempre Divina, we have the Sueño lashes. Very cute for everyday wear. And we also have the Like an Artista 4-piece brush set. We have 2 fluffy brushes, an angled brush, and a cute little tight tapered smudgy brush. Okay, so we are going to start with just a little bit of the color light around all of my lid. I'm gonna be using brush B102. It's an angled brush, but it's kind of nice because it'll allow me to just get into the corners. I love the difference between the color Amor and Resilience. Amor is a lot more pinky, and Resilience has this like burnt orange depth to it. That's really nice when you put them together. Gives you like a sunset, subtle, colorful moment. So right before we finish the eye look, I do want to acknowledge Fuerte because this everyday look could very quickly go to a smoky nighttime look with just this one little palette. But because I'm not going out and I'm just going to keep it chill, we kept it more neutral today. Let's move on to lashes. I've already sized them to my eyes, so they are ready to go. All right, and just like that, this is our final off-duty, day-to-day look. We used the I Am Siempre Divina 6-pan shadow palette. We used the Sueño lashes and the 4-piece Like an Artista eyeshadow brush set. Can't wait to see you guys try the look. Make sure you tag Boxycharm as well as Tresluce Beauty. Besitos a todos. Ciao.